classes YouTube channel. To get more video, please subscribe this channel. Student, today we discuss the next questions of the practice set 3.3 of the chapter Arithmetic Progression of Mathematics Part 1 10th Standard. The question number 5 is the activity based question. We take this question here. Complete the following activity to find the sum of the natural numbers between, student look carefully here, is between 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. म्हणजे 1 ते 140 मधले संख्या घ्यायची आहे की त्याला 4 ने डिवाइड होत असेल. Now the answer is activity based, so I have to fill in the blank boxes here. From 1 to 140 the natural numbers divisible by 4 are. Now which is in between this, so that first start from 4 8 up to last number is 136. Now then how many numbers, question mark, n ची value आपल्याला first find करायची. Now for this the activity is also given here. N is the question mark here, a is the first term is 4, d is the common difference between these two is also 4. Now here is we use this formula, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here is Tn is given here, the last term means that which is the 136 here. Student, also we have to take here this value as Tn. Suppose Tn is 136. Look here, this is Tn 136, a is 4, d is 4. Then Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then we substitute this value, we get that Tn is 136. Here is equals to a is given here 4. Then n minus 1 into d is also 4. Student, I have to take this calculation here by finding out this value of n by using this. Here I have to take its rough, mean that 136 is equals to 4 plus, I have to directly multiply this 4, we get that 4n minus 4. Then this minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled, means that this becomes 4n. Then this 4 again goes to denominator, means that 136 upon 4 is equals to n. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, carries 1, becomes 16, 4 4s are, means that n is equals to 34. Now this is our calculation for this n. So I have to substitute the value of n is how much? 34. So also here fill in the box is n is 34. Now student, then we have to find out sum of n numbers here, mean that yes, here is Sn, formula is n upon 2 in bracket twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the value of n is 34 here, then this is 34, then plus twice into a is how much? 4, a is 4 plus n minus 1, mean that n is take here 34 minus 1 into d is also how much? 4. Now I have to complete this box. Student, I have to take calculation of this is here. Look carefully, this is the calculation for this. Now suppose that this is Sn, means that S34 is equals to 34 upon 2 becomes 17. Then 2 4s are 8 plus 33 into 4. Then S34 is equal to 17 in bracket 8 plus 33 into 4. 4 3s are 12, carries 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is 30. Then it becomes 17 into 140. Then product of this is 17 zeros 0. 17 4s are 68, carries 6 here. 17 1s are 17 plus 6 becomes 23. Means student, here is the total number, means that sum of this 34 number is equals to how much? 2380. So I have to write the answer here 2380. Means that sum of the numbers from 1 to 140 which is divisible by 4 is how much? 2380. simplified term is given here 3300. Student, we use this value. First, the formula for Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket twice a plus n minus 1 into t. Substitute this value. Here is n is 55. So yes, 55 is equals to 55 upon 2 in bracket twice a plus 55 minus 1 into t. Student, this yes 55 is given 3300 is equals to 55 upon 2 in bracket twice a plus 54d. Student, when we look carefully, then we take common from this bracket, this value becomes 2. Then in bracket here is remaining is a plus 27d. Can you understand this? Then these 2 get cancelled. Then this 55 again goes to denominator, means that 3300 upon 55 is equals to a plus 27d. Student, when we simplify a by using 11 5s are, 11 3s are, then 0 0. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30 and 0. Mean that therefore 60 is equals to a plus 27d. Mean that the equation is a plus 27d is equals to 60. Suppose that this is our first equation. Student, then we find the 28 terms. So that mean that n is equals to here is 28. Find out t 28 is equals to question mark. The formula for the nth term is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to find out here 28 term, mean that t28 a as it is plus here 28 minus 1 into d. Student, this value becomes t28 is equals to a plus 27t. Observe carefully, here is a plus 27t is 60. So substitute this value here, so that from equation first t28 is equals to 60 here is from equation first. Therefore the answer in full sentence. Answer. The 28th term is the 28th term of an AP is how much? 60. Okay, we take the next question. Number 7 is, in an AP, the sum of the three consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. Mean that find the three terms. Student, very important example. In this example, here is given here, assume that the three consecutive terms are a minus d, a and a plus d. So I have to take its solution such a way that let's assume that the three consecutive terms in an AP be a minus d, a and a plus d. Now student, then from first condition, what is this condition? Look carefully here. The sum of the three consecutive terms is 27. Means that sum of these three is 27. So I will write a minus d plus a plus d is equals to how much? 27. Then look carefully. This minus d and plus d get cancelled. Means that a plus a is 3a is equals to 27. 3 goes to denominator. A is equals to 27 upon 3. Therefore the value of a is how much? 9. Value of a is 9. Then student, the second condition is that their product is 504. So I have write from second condition. This condition tells us that their product, means that a minus d into a plus d is equals to how much? 504 here. Student, look carefully. We have to substitute the values here. A is 9, means that 9 minus d a square minus b square. Means that 9 square minus this d square. We have to simplify it. 9 5s are 45. Carry is 5. 9 6 are 54. Because we use here a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Then d square is 81 minus d square is equals to 56. Student, I have to transfer this minus d square to this side and 56 to this side. We get that 81 minus 56 is equals to how much? D square. Now then we subtract it from this 11. We have to subtract this 6. It becomes how much? 5. Then here is 7. 7 minus 5 becomes how much? 2 is equals to d square. Taking square root. Of both sides. Therefore, first I will write d is equals to, so gives the sign here plus minus 5. Then student, a is 9, d is plus 5 or d is minus 5. By using this we have to find out 3 consecutive terms. Therefore, answering full sentence I will write the 3 consecutive terms are. First point I have to take here, if a is equals to 9 and d is equals to plus 5, therefore a minus d is equals to 9 minus 5 is equals to how much? 4. Then a is equals to 9 and a plus d means that 9 plus 5 is equals to how much? 40. Means that the 3 terms are, here is 4, 9 and 40. Or if you have to take here, a is equals to 9 and d is equals to minus 5. Then the numbers are, here is a minus d is equals to 9 minus minus 5 is equals to 9 plus 5 becomes how much? 40. Then a is equals to 9 and a plus d is equals to 9 plus minus 5 is equals to how much? 4. Means that the numbers are first one is, here is 4, 9, 14 or here is 14, 9, 4 respectively. Can you understand this? Very very important question. We take the next question. The question number 8. Find 4 consecutive terms of an AP whose sum is 12 and sum of the third and fourth term is 14. Student, again very very important question. Like as question number 7, there is 3 consecutive terms, here is 4 consecutive terms. Now let's assume which are these 4 consecutive terms. Now look carefully. Solution of this one is, solution, let's assume that the 4 consecutive terms of an AP are. Now first we take here a minus d. Second one is a. Then next a plus d. And last one is a plus twice d. These are the 4 consecutive terms. Now then, by using the first condition, from first condition, this condition tells us that whose sum is 12, means that their sum is 12. So I have to write here a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus twice d is equals to how much? 12. Look carefully student, here is this minus d and plus d get cancel. Then a plus a becomes 4a plus twice d is equals to 12. We can dividing both sides by 2, we get that. Dividing both sides by 2 we get divide it by 2, we get that twice A plus 1D is equals to 6. Let this is equation number first. Student, then by using the second condition and the sum of the third and fourth term, here is this is first, second, third and fourth. With the sum of these two terms is 40. So I have write here from second condition. This condition tells us that third and fourth term is A plus D plus A plus twice D is equals to how much? 14. Now this addition is A plus A is twice A plus D plus 2D is thrice D is equals to how much? 14. Let this is equation number second. Student, when we subtract equation first from equation second, we get the value of here D. So subtract equation first from equation second we get. So first write the equation second. Twice A plus 3D is equals to how much? 14. This is equation second. And the first one is twice A plus D is equals to 6. This is equation number first. Student, when we subtract this, then the signs of these equations second changes. When we subtract, this sign is minus, this is also minus and this is also minus. So this twice A plus and this minus get cancel. Then the addition, the subtraction of 3D minus D, we get that plus 2D. Then this becomes 8. Therefore 2 goes to denominator, 8 upon 2. Therefore the value of D is how much? 4. This is the value of D. Now we substitute this value of D in any equation, first or second. So substituting D is equals to 4 in equation first. So equation first is twice A plus D is equals to 6. Substitute D is 4 here. Twice A plus 4 is equals to 6. This 4 transpose to this another side. That 6 minus 4 means that twice A is equals to 2. Therefore A is equals to 2 upon 2 means that A is equals to how much? 1. Means here, therefore the value of A is 1 and D is how much? 4. Then we have to find out these 4 terms. Therefore the 4 terms are now first term is A minus D is equals to A is 1 minus D is 4. Then this value becomes minus 3. Then A is equals to 1. Then A plus D is equals to 1 plus 4 becomes how much? 5. And then A plus twice D is equals to 1 plus 2 into 4 means that 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. Therefore the answer in full sentence is that. Therefore the 4 consecutive terms in an AP are, first one is minus 3, second one is 1, 5 and 9. Can you understand this? We see the next question. Question number 9 is, if the ninth term of the AP is 0, then show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. Means you have to find out 9th term, 29th term and 19th term also. So the solution of that one is very important again. Let the first term of an AP be A and common difference be D. Then here is given here T9 term of the AP is 0, means that T9 is equals to 0. This is our first equation. Now student, we know that the formula Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So substitute the value of N is 9 here, therefore T9 is equals to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. When we substitute the value of T9 is 0 is equals to A plus 8D. Here is from equation first. Student, then I have to transfer this 8D to this side. We get that minus 8D is equals to A. Means that A is equals to minus 8D. We use this to solve the next points here. Suppose that this is equation number 6. Now student, then I have to find out T19 term. Now N is equals to 19, then T19 is equals to question mark. The formula is saying that therefore the T19 is equals to A plus, here is 19 minus 1 into D. The subtraction is therefore T19 is equals to A plus 18D. Suppose that this is equation number 3rd. Student, sorry, I have to substitute again the value of A. Then we get the equation here. A is how much? Minus 8D plus 18D. Therefore T19 is equals to, this becomes how much? 10D. Suppose that this is equation number 3rd. Then we have to find out the value of N, 29 term. Then N is equals to 29. T29 is equals to question mark. Therefore T29 is equals to, substitute in this formula, we get that A plus 29 minus 1 into D. Therefore T29 is equals to A plus 28D. Again substitute the value of A from here, second, minus 8D. So here T29 is equals to minus 8D plus 28D. Here is from equation 2nd. When we subtract it, therefore T29 is equals to, this subtraction becomes 20D. Suppose that this is equation number how much? 4. Student, from this equation 3 and 4, we observe that therefore from equation 3rd and 4th, this T29 is equals to, we write here 2 into, means that this 20D is equals to 2 into 10D. 2 into 10D means that therefore T29 is equals to 2 into 10D is how much? 19. Means that T19. Here we have to show that 29 term is twice the 19 term. Means that 29 term is the twice the 19 term. So therefore the 29th term of an AP is twice the 19th term. Twice the 19th term. And hence